Hey, what's up, tubers? This is Superdell here. Today is a great day. My Buzz TV has come in. I'm going to do a two-part video for this. The first one will be unboxing, and the second one, I will go into the box. I just believe 20-25 minutes is not enough time to talk about this device. With that being said, on your screen, they have two models of the Buzz TV Powerstation 6. This model right here, the all black with the lime green button, this is the 8 GB RAM device with 128 on the internal storage. And this model right here is the 16 GB RAM with 128 on the internal storage. And this one right here actually came to my house today. I'm very happy finally to get this device in because this was one of the most anticipated devices that we have heard in a long time that was coming out. Buzz has said this is going to be the most powerful device, streaming device that we have in today's market. That's going to be up to us to find out. And so, again, two-part video. This is going to be the unboxing. The next one will get into us getting in and looking at what this device can do for us. So with that being said, I'm gonna make myself a little bit bigger because I do have the 16 gig box right here. All right, here it is right here. Again, this is a black glossy box. So if you get this like here, you see my fingerprints all over it. You're gonna get that on this device. All right, but here it is, the 16 GB Buzz TV Powerstation streaming device. This is the 16 gigs of RAM that costs 400 bucks. All right, $400. Okay, to me, I believe they're gearing this more toward home theater, the community of the home theaters. All right, so again, very nice when you look at it on the side, and again, it is glossy. You see everything, but again, this is going to be the unboxing. You see all the features and the logo in the back, as you see back there. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. One thing, if you're familiar with Buzz, you know Buzz do great packaging. As you see right here, this is how you get it. Again, very nice. Very nice, as you see right there. All right, let's set this box down. Again, you get the box. Let me move that over just a little bit. This is the box. We'll talk about that just a second. Let me move that over here. Let's look at inside the box, everything that you get. And again, let me repeat myself. This is going to be the unboxing only. And so here it is. Buzz give you a card saying basically register your warranty and use a code for 10% off your next order. But a couple of cards, some QR codes, stuff like that, and you see all of this right here. So a couple of those right there. You get another one for your remote control, and also if you want a service guide. So you get a couple more QR codes. And you notice everything is glossy on this device right here. Nothing on the back end side. You get these little ribbons and stuff like that. You can barely see them, but that does come in the package. Um, you do get two remote controls, guys. You get the black one. I believe the black one is the Bluetooth one. All right. So you get it. Hopefully y'all can see it right there. Very nice. Plastic. Don't feel heavy at all. You get that one. And also you get the white one as well. Let me take this out. And this one, you can tell this one's a little bit smaller. You really can't see because of the white. It's so bright white. All right, but you got your hotkeys. Hopefully it'll pick up everything on my camera. You got the numbers on there. And so again, let me do this one. All right, so you get everything. You see the recording feature, the numbers on here, everything. So this is the Bluetooth one. This is the regular IR one. You put them next to each other. Um, the black one is just a tad bit taller uh, than the white remote. All right, but you do get those. Okay. What else we got here? Of course, the power adapter, as you see right here. I don't have my glasses, so I can't tell you the volt. And then you get the other one that plugs directly in. So uh, it goes into this power adapter. All right. It definitely goes into this power adapter. And of course, this part right here goes into the box. Okay. And you just take it, push it in. All right. And then you plug this one up. You power this one up. You see it right there. And then you put this one on the box. All right. So there you have that right there. Of course, they give you a HDMI cord. Buzz has been always great with that. You get a couple of screws. It look like, again, I don't have my glasses, but it look like some screws or something. All right. You get that. Also, some batteries. They always give you batteries, so that's good. Now, with all of that done, let me put this up in here. Let's go to the star of this device right now. Let me just put everything that I pushed out of here. All right, let's put that in there. Let's close this box. Okay, let's close this up. Because again, the packaging is just so nice, man. But it's just so glossy. Uh, I should have used my other camera, but it's all good. Here it is right here. Okay, here we have it. The Buzz TV, as you see right there. This is the top of it right here. This is the front. So this look like this is probably a power button. This is a Type C data, right? For powering up a controller or your phone or something like that, data transfer. USB 2.0, USB 3.0, or 3.1. One of the two. Let's go over here. Nothing on this side. As you see, nothing over here. Now you go in the back. You got power, micro, okay. This is audio, optical, HDMI 2.1, right? And then you got a gig Ethernet port. All right. It's all right there. And when you turn it on the side, you got nothing. Again, you got the top, and then you have the bottom. All right. This is the bottom of it, as you see right here. And of course, you get the NVMe um, um, unit, as you can plug in here as well. So let me take this off. So you can take this off. Hopefully, hopefully I'm doing it right. There it is. All right. So there you have it. You can put your NVMe up in there. All right. You see the input right there, guys. All right. You got 4 feet on the bottom, so it'll stop it from sliding everything. But you see it right there, guys. So if you want to up the storage for your recording and everything, you want things to play quickly, that will do it. Okay. I plan on getting one. That way I can test it out. I'm probably going to do a series on this device, and it goes in very, very easy. But remember, to get it off, all right, you might have to use your fingernail and press down on it. Just press down on it a little bit, and you can remove it that way. And you can tell this bad boy is brand new because it's really kind of tight. But then when you put it in, you just press down on it, and there you have it right there. Very, very nice. Again, this is plastic. But if you're familiar with Buzz TV devices, you know how their devices are. All right. I cannot wait to test this bad boy out. Again, I said it's going to be a two-part series because I just believe there's not enough time to do an all-in-one. I think you need a couple of maybe 2 to 3 videos to actually lay out, and then I'll get into my lives as well. It's not too heavy, nothing is rattling in there. I plan to get on it very, very quick. I don't know if I'm gonna drop a video tonight or just wait until tomorrow. But I do have this device. I can't wait. They said there's so much you can do with it. We about to find out. Definitely about to find out. Guys, thank you for tuning in to this video. I appreciate you. If you like this video, you like the unboxing, definitely thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. That way you can stay in tune with this device. All right. You can stay in tune. Also, click that bell so you get all notifications when I release anything on YouTube. I'm so happy. Very, very happy. I'm so happy. Salute to everyone. Be safe. And I'll see you on the next video. The buzz has arrived. All right, guys. I will talk to you on the next video. I am out. Peace, guys.